Hey everyone, I wanted to welcome you to week 2. A couple things that I think might be helpful is you will see our news item for this week. We have our readings, chapters 3 and 4, our discussion post, and our quiz. We have biosig attached to most discussions, so in order to see that, if you go to course materials and discussions, you will not see the post for this week, and that's really important that you don't miss it. So if you scroll down, you'll see our welcome post, but you will not see the following discussions for week 2. So in order to see those, you need to go to course materials, go to content, click on table of contents, and under table of contents you will see each week. And if you scroll down, you'll see the week 1. So there was a biosig validation for discussion 1, and then a biosig validation for discussion 2. You need to do that first in order for you to actually, quote, see the discussion for 2 and actively do that. If you have questions, please let me know. Overall, you guys are doing a very, very nice job with your discussions. Make sure that you are answering the questions, that you're using your book as a source and citing that, and also making sure that you have an open-ended question for your peers to answer. But overall, I know week 1 and 2 is very, very text-heavy, it's very vocabulary-heavy, but you guys are doing a very nice job. I just want to make sure you guys are seeing the discussion posts for the biosig. So you want to go to course materials, content, and then table of contents, and you'll see it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email. Thanks.